Itäinen Kirkkokatu 2.
Itäinen Kirkkokatu, Östra Kirkkokatan 2. Kokkola Academy, Finland. 8 persons of 630 grams. Otis elevator. Let's ride it. Drop hydraulic. Very nice. Built in 19. Oh no, wait a minute. It's hard to see. 1999. Yes, 1999. 8 persons of 650 kilograms. B1 NE 2537. These buttons are quite torn. This elevator is turning 20 years old during this year, 2019. It's supposed to be inspected in 2021.
Yeah, it's 21 years old.
1999. By force.
How about doing one full ride?
Yeah, one wouldn't be enough, I think.
Slow. Let's listen to the motor.
Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Kone.
Oh yeah, Otis maintained by Connie.
Yeah.
Used to be maintained by Otis, I think. Yes. You can see it there.
Yeah.
So there won't be a crap this year.
No.
There'll be probably monospace if they ever replace it. After 15 years.
15 more years. Maybe.
I think it has full height sensors.
They should have made it scenic here. Look.
Yeah.
The facade, glass facade, it should have been a little scenic.
That's